The students can record your lectures also. And this is an online mode. We'll have, be careful whenever we speak with the students or with any mode. So do not speak any unparliamentary language, any words that hurt to any religion and community during your online sessions. So that can file the case against you. And this is the first and important tips to all the teachers. Then avoid plagiarism. Do not use others' material for the commercial purpose. Generally study purpose के लिए चलता है, but commercial purpose और research purpose के लिए नहीं चलता. Not much more, अगर आपने YouTube चैनल निकाला और दूसरे का वीडियो डाउनलोड करके आपके YouTube चैनल पे अपलोड किया, so that is against. Secondly, आपने images के बहुत सारे copyrights होते हैं. You can use for the classroom presentation for understanding the students. But many images are not allowed to use commercial purpose. So avoid the plagiarism, that you don't copy, don't download the presentations from SlideShare and with editing with your name. So that is the case of actually plagiarism. So you have to be careful, avoid the plagiarism, use reference whenever you use the others teaching material. अगर आपने use किया है, तो it is good to use the reference. यहाँ पे ऑनलाइन मोड पे आपको ध्यान में रखना है कि जो भी आप Gmail अकाउंट यूज करते हैं, जो भी डिवाइसेस यूज करते हैं, यूज 2-step security passwords. There is an 2-step security passwords are available, even 3 steps and in certain cases available. 2 steps का मतलब होता है not allowed to log in without sending the code on your mobile phone. अगर आप Gmail पे लॉग इन कर रहे हैं, आपको पासवर्ड चेंज करना है, जब तक आप मोबाइल पे एक कोड नहीं भेजते, 2 steps verification is always required. Do not use your name as a password, or some gazing passwords are there. So try to avoid that kind of things. The passwords of bank ATM should not use at any other site. It's very important. Generally बहुत जगह हम पासवर्ड यूज करते हैं, तो इतने पासवर्ड हम याद नहीं रखते, इसलिए हम क्या करते हैं, कॉमन पासवर्ड रखते हैं. जो एजुकेशनल स्टफ है उसके लिए ध्यान में रखो पासवर्ड कैटेगरी, वो क्या बैंक से पैसे नहीं लेके जाएंगे, ये एक बार याद में रखो. जो बैंक और जो फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजैक्शन के रिलेटेड पासवर्ड है, वो पासवर्ड बहुत कॉन्फिडेंशियल होना चाहिए, दूसरे कहीं जगह पे वो यूज नहीं होना चाहिए. इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट दैट आई वांट टू टेल यू. सेकेंडली, इवन एन एटीएम का भी जो पिन है, डोंट यूज. जनरली फॉरगॉट पासवर्ड में हमें बहुत सारे पासवर्ड यूज ट्राई करते हैं, एंड दिस ऑल आर रिकॉर्डेड बाय दिस सम ऑफ द साइट्स. ये जो साइट्स है वो ज्यादा कुछ लेके जाने वाला नहीं. ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या होगा कि आपका जीमेल अकाउंट हैक हो जाएगा. उसको भी आप 2-step वेरिफिकेशन में गए तो आपके मोबाइल पे कोड आ जाएगा. So this is very important point as far as cyber security are concerned. And even you keep these 2 security on Gmail account so that it is very less possibility. And Gmail will tell you time to time कि some person who has tracked, who has logged in your account from such a place. अगर मैं इंडिया में रहता हूँ और मैं कनाडा पे, मैं जब I was a visiting professor of University of Canada and I tried to log in my Facebook and Gmail account over there, and they had asked me so many questions, so they confused. The person is from an India, how is whether is somebody is hacking from that place. So if you change the place, if somebody out of country is trying to hack your account, this Gmail having a good kind of thing. But अभी Facebook के hacking के issues भी ज़्यादा हो रहे हैं, and they are demanding the money also. Avoid clicking on suspicious link, and without knowing of authentication, do not use. And it's a very important point that you have to remember as in cyber security. Then for a general, While installing apps, ask the permission for access. Generally, all apps asking you a permission. So don't keep personal information in gallery like an गैलरी में. और ये जो हमें भी बहुत बार ये आदत होती है कि हम पासवर्ड्स या जो भी चीजें है वो मोबाइल पे स्टोर करके रखते हैं, because we are allowing the permissions. While installing apps, it asks permission for access to your gallery. So don't keep personal information in gallery like ATM card, photo, pin, personal photos, and even an private information. This is for an security purpose. Don't give access of your system directly to unknown, because of your system can be controlled from outside. Keep your system password protected. Do best setting as per recommendations of app guidelines. Stick to your own devices. Don't log in at multiple places. Even don't use the public Wi-Fi. This is again the advice. So if you go on a railway station or bus, don't use the public Wi-Fi. Be aware of your surroundings. Whenever you are typing something or doing something as a secrets, so try to find out whether the camera is not put on your head. Think twice before transferring the money about an authentication. So that is very important point. Again, so many things I want